Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be trying out a mask that I actually picked up at Ulta a couple of weeks ago. If you guys saw my Ulta haul, you guys know what I'm talking about. It's this mask right here. It's the I Do Care Space Kitten mask. It looks like this. This is the packaging. I kind of wanted something that will clear out all my pores and a little bit of blackheads that I have around here on my nose. And a really good friend and coworker of mine definitely recommended this mask for me. It's a peel-off mask. So I'm very excited to try it out. I haven't had the chance to try it out, so today it's like pouring outside, it's crazy raining, and if you guys hear like weird footsteps, it's my dog. He's inside because it's completely like pouring outside. So yeah, we're gonna try out this mask together and see if this mask is good or what. It's a peel off mask. I heard it hurts like hell, so we're gonna definitely try it out. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give this video a thumbs up as well. Alright guys, let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so this is the mask that I picked up at Ulta. It is the I Do Care Space Kitten mask. So I do have it on my Ulta app right now, and it is $23. That's what it retails for. It does have 4-star reviews, so that's pretty good, and it does have a little bit of details right here, so I'm going to quickly read them for you. It says, connect with your inner space goddess with Memebox Space Kitten mask, a charcoal, topaz, and diamond powder infused peel-off mask, shimmers with royal blue glitter for an out-of-this-world galactic black look. Volcanic ash and witch hazel team up to exfoliate skin, absorb impurities, and control sebum, revealing a noticeably brighter complexion. So that sounds really cool. So we're just going to go ahead and open up the packaging. So this is the packaging, how it looks like. So really cute box, and down here says T-zone clearing galactic black peel off mask. It is 2.87 fluid ounces, so that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and it comes with like a little, stopper, so the mask doesn't get anywhere once you open it up. So this is how the bottle looks like. It's black, so it's really cool. It says a Space Kitten right here, so it's really nice and sleek, and of course it has a little bit of instructions and all that jazz down here. So once you open it up, it comes with like a little seal protector. I think I already opened this up because so I already opened this up because for my Ulta haul, I did show you guys how the mask looked like. So it has like really cool glitters. I don't know if my camera will focus, but it has like really nice like shimmers. It kind of definitely looks like space or something very galactical. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And you guys, prior to this, I did wash my face with some really warm water so my pores can kind of like open up for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just place it on my T-zone where I know I have like a crazy pore that I need to like clean. I don't have a rubber mask brush, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I always use this brush for any type of mask that I'm gonna put on my face. This is the pointed foundation brush by Moda Brushes. It looks like this. It's a really nice like concealer brush and foundation brush, but I really like to apply it for when I'm applying masks because I don't have any one of those like rubber things. I really should get one. So I'm just gonna quickly go. That's really cool. So I'm gonna actually zoom you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can definitely see the mask. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna quickly go and I'm gonna apply this mask on my T-zone area. So right here on my nose. And I mean, I've used masks like these before, so I definitely don't need to read the instructions, but I read the instructions prior to this. I'll go ahead and read the instructions after I'm done applying the mask. That way you guys know how to apply it. But this is so cool. It feels kind of refreshing. So I'm just going to apply a little bit right here. I'm not going to do like the whole thing, just like right here. And I definitely always do like a really small layer. So that is what I'm going to do. It kind of feels a little bit tingly in a way. And then I'm also going to apply a little bit right here on my forehead. Not a lot. I'm just going to do very like a little. And then I'm just going to go down here and just kind of connect it. I'm really trying not to like get it on my hairs because I don't want to like yank any of my hairs out. So, alright. And then I'm also going to do a little bit on my chin, not a lot, just like right here. You guys, I freaking grew like a huge volcano right here. It hurts like a mother, but you know, I don't even know why the heck that grew there. It's so weird. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I put the little topper down there, and I'm just gonna, you know, cover it up so it doesn't get all nasty. And I'm just gonna quickly just read the directions. I've used masks like these before, so I know already how to apply them, but I'm just gonna go ahead and read them for you. I know doesn't even make sense. I should have read them before, but I already kind of know how to work with masks. So I'm just going to quickly go with the instructions. It says apply to T-zone for oil and blackhead control. Cleanse face to remove excess water, which I already did. Apply a generous even layer to T-zone, avoiding eyebrow and hairline. After 20 minutes or once it's dry, gently peel off starting from the edges. Rinse off any remaining product with warm water. Then proceed with daily skincare. Alright, so that's pretty much what I do anyways with all of my masks. So like I said, I went ahead and I, you know, washed my face with just warm water just so I can open up my pores and everything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and wait for 20 minutes and I will be right back to peel off this mask and see what it's all about. Alright guys, so I have a little update for you guys. It's been about like 10-15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. And this mask definitely feels very tightening right now. It definitely feels like it's like absorbing into my skin and just like pulling all the gunk out. I could definitely feel that because it's like so tightening. Like whenever I move, like you can feel like it's so tight. So yeah, that feels really, really good, and it feels so cool, and it looks really cool. I don't know if you guys can definitely see, but definitely have like a bunch of glitter. So this mask is really, really cool. I like how it looks. I'm definitely excited, but I'm so freaking scared of pulling or peeling this mask off. I know it's gonna hurt like a bee. But anyways, let's go ahead and wait 5 more minutes and then we'll go ahead and start peeling off the mask. Alright guys, so it has definitely been about 20 minutes. So I am ready to peel off this mask. It's definitely dry. It doesn't feel like anything. It kind of feels a little bit tacky right here because that's where kind of like I applied a little bit much more, but everywhere else it feels very dry and ready to peel off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start off by flicking right over here. I've created like a little canvas, so there's a little flap that I kind of made. Oh my god, I'm so freaking scared. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Okay. Ow. Okay, that kind of hurt. Not as bad as I thought, but okay. Ow, ow, ow. Ugh. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling off over here on this end. Okay, doesn't really hurt up here. I kind of want to like try to peel it all together so there's like no... Oh my god, you guys. Ow. Oh, that hurt right there. Okay. Oh god, can you guys seriously hear that? Here it like sounds a little bit painful, but it's actually not that bad. I was expecting it to like be a lot more painful, but it's not that painful. Oh my god, so let's see if I can get this thing entirely without like really ripping apart. Okay, ow. By the way, you guys, this mask actually smells really, really nice. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh, that was so crazy. You guys, right here, I could totally see, like, you could tell right there, like, there's like a little piece of like oil or something. It was so weird, like it just popped. That was so crazy. Ow. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look. I'm gonna actually zoom you guys in a little bit much closer That way you guys can definitely see what I'm seeing. Oh god, this is kind of cool. I could definitely see like the little hairs, and I definitely see a little bit of like blackheads being pulled. It's kind of hard to see because of the glitter also, but I could definitely see some stuff there, which is kind of gross. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit more. Alright guys, so here is the grossness. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but there's like the little hairs right there. So it definitely looks very nasty. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but you can definitely see the little hairs around here. I'm gonna go ahead and very slowly turn around. See, like right there you can definitely see like the little hairs, and there's like some like blackheads. See, like right there. It's gonna be very hard to see, but they are definitely there. Okay, so my nose definitely feels a little bit much smoother. I could definitely see like it's much clean. Like it's way more cleaner than how it was before. I want to go ahead and yank this little piece off. There is some spots where I can still see like a little bit of like blackheads. Like I don't have a ton of blackheads, but you can kind of see like the ones that are kind of like right there. So it definitely didn't pick up like 100% all of the blackheads, but I could definitely see like one right here. It's very, very small, but it's still there. So that was pretty cool. Let's go ahead and remove this one down here and see how this one looks. I'll definitely show you guys this one. Oh my god. Ow, that hurt. Alright guys, so this one is from my chin. This one definitely doesn't have as much as like gunk as my nose one did. Of course, my nose did have a lot more to take out, but it still has a little few things in there, not a lot. It definitely did clean up. It's still a pretty cool mask. I really actually like it. It's something very different. I've never really tried any like black charcoal masks before. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on this Space Kitten mask. I actually really like it. I see a really huge difference on my nose area, not so much on my chin area, but I do feel like it has to do with the application, because on my nose and my T-zone area up here on my forehead, I did apply a little bit less than on my chin. On my chin, the product went a little bit much thicker, so it took a little longer to actually dry. I saw the most gunky things on the nose area and of course on my forehead, so it definitely does work. So definitely apply less, go in with a thin layer, just how it says here on the bottle. I'm definitely gonna keep using this mask. I really did enjoy it. I love that it's black and it has like that silver glitter. It's definitely very galactic and space inspired, so I really do love it. If you're looking for something that'll clean out your pores, something very easy and simple, definitely recommend. It's very inexpensive, again, $23, and I feel like this mask will definitely last you a really long time for a lot of uses. You don't have to apply a lot, so it'll definitely last a really long time. I was expecting the mask to hurt a lot once I would peel it off, but it didn't really hurt that much. Like it did hurt in some areas, but not like to the extent where it's like gonna make me cry or anything like that. But again, it all depends on your pain level. If you have like a easy pain level, like you cannot tolerate any pain, then it'll probably be hurtful. But to me, it was just like whatever, maybe on some little areas, so it wasn't painful. I was definitely expecting it to be like worse than it was. So if you're looking for something very affordable that'll like just clean out your pores and your blackheads, I definitely do recommend this mask. It's very inexpensive and I feel like it does a pretty good job on cleaning out like your pores and everything like that. So yeah guys, this is my final thoughts. As far as stars, I'm definitely giving it a 4.5 out of 5 stars for me. I think it was a great mask and I really love it and I did enjoy it. And yeah, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!